Hey, do you want to know the secret how I managed to get some me time out of my hectic lifestyle? Well, let me share the secret with you. It's my LG front-load washing machine that takes care of my huge laundry load, allowing me more time to focus what I enjoy the most. And there's more. LG's 6-motion direct drive technology moves the drum in multiple directions, which thoroughly cleans the fabrics while giving them perfect care. Now that's what I call perfect washing. It also comes with a fabulous feature. The LG Steam technology removes 99.9% allergens such as dust mites that can cause allergy. While your washing machine takes care of the hard work, you can sit back and relax. Thanks to LG ThinQ with Wi-Fi. With smart remote control, you can manage your laundry anytime from anywhere. And with the download cycle feature, you can access up to 20 additional wash programs. Now that's what we call truly smart washing. And with LG's Smart Diagnosis feature, your life becomes much easier because it diagnoses many problems that may occur in your machine and resolves them quickly and correctly with just a few clicks before they might become a bigger risk. LG has a stronger, thicker toughened glass door that not only ensures durability but also allows clear visibility into the drum during cycles while improving hygiene and aesthetic appeal. So I'm heading for a quick power nap while you go and get yourself the all-new LG front-load washing machine.